Oi! You'll get what you're bloody given. Fucking hell. Always wanting fucking everything, these Jehovah's Witnesses, aren't they? No, they will bloody get. You don't fucking look starving. How can you be hungry? You ain't done no. No, they're not coming well later. What are you fucking singing about? What is there to fucking sing about? Eh? Well, time to start singing is 5 o'clock when you're skipping up the road when you're going home. Cock end. Stood there making fucking funny noises to him then again. Smoking fucking crack or something like that daft cunt, isn't it? No. Then there's your lot knocking on doors. It's not funny. Knock on my door. The last fucking door you ever knock on. Yeah, that's ready for a new tyre now. Here's a smile, you cheeky devil.